Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Janhi Aloo Posta. This is a typical Odia recipe. Janhi means rich gourd or Turai and Posta means poppy seeds. So this is basically rich gourd and potato curry in poppy seeds gravy. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन तळे थियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First take 250 grams of rich gourd or turai and 2 potatoes. Peel and cut the gourd in small pieces. Taste the gourd before using as some tend to be bitter. Also peel and cut the potatoes in small cubes. For spice paste in a blender jar take 1 onion, 1 inch ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of a tomato, 1 green chili and 1 dried red chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds soaked in water. Blend to make spice paste. Keep it aside. In a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Shallow fry the cubed potatoes. Fry the potatoes till they are golden brown and take them out. In the same oil, add the chopped rich gourd and shallow fry. Turai releases moisture and is dried up. Take it out. Now add 1 more tablespoon of mustard oil to the kadai. Then add the prepared spice paste. Saute for a minute. Add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red chili powder. Mix well and cook the spices. After the spices are cooked, add the potatoes and turai. Give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Our veggies are perfectly cooked now and our gravy is also thick and creamy. Our delicious rich gourd curry is ready. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. So our delicious Odia style Janhi Aloo Posta is ready. This is a different type of curry with poppy seeds gravy. The gravy is delicious and creamy and the veggies are perfectly cooked. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.